6 reasons why your narcissistic ex is so mean to you. Hi everyone. Did you just break up with your narcissistic partner and he or she is being mean to you? Are you wondering why this is so? Breakups are complicated and often painful. However, in most healthy relationships, partners who break up don't turn out to be enemies. Instead, they honestly and responsibly accept that things can't work between them anymore and they go their separate ways. Unfortunately, in a toxic relationship with a narcissistic partner, the reverse is the case. What you see is a narcissistic partner trying everything possible to hurt his or her ex. This they do by being mean and aggressive towards their ex. The reasons for this are not far-fetched. It's tied to their narcissistic personality, characterized by their lack of empathy, self-centeredness, and cruelty. Hence, here are the 6 reasons your narcissistic ex is mean to you. Before moving further, don't forget to like and please share this video if you think this information is helpful to you. And do subscribe and activate the notification bell if you're new here. 1. They've lost you, so there's no need to hide their true nature. Narcissists often pretend to be friendly and gentle to their partners. They do this to make you believe they're good partners and keep you for narcissistic supplies. However, after a breakup, they've lost you, so there's no need to pretend to be good to keep you anymore. Therefore, they unleash their real character, and you begin to notice their selfish and mean attitude towards you. 2. They blame you for everything. For a narcissist, it's always about them. So even when they're at fault in the relationship, they'll blame you for being the cause of the breakup and for leaving them. Therefore, your narcissistic ex is mean to you because he or she feels you're the cause of the problems and is angry. 3. Your narcissistic ex feels used. This is another reason your narcissistic ex may be mean to you, especially if you're the one who initiated the breakup. As we said earlier, for narcissists, it's all about them. So even if they were the ones using you for narcissistic supplies, when you break up with them, they feel like you used them for your selfish gains. Therefore, to get back at you, they'll be mean towards you. 4. He or she wants to punish you. Whether you've done anything bad or not, your narcissistic ex could be out to punish you. Therefore, he or she may exhibit certain mean behaviours towards you just to hurt and cause you pain. They'll try to sabotage everything that makes you happy and thrive. After all, they've been together with you for some time, so they hold a lot of your cards. 5. The desire for control and self-satisfaction. A narcissist is never willing to let go of control. Breaking up with them might mean losing control over you, but this is not something they're willing to accept. Therefore, he or she will find other means to control you emotionally and physically. One way to do this is by being mean to you. Also, by doing this, they gain satisfaction by seeing you feel hurt. 6. They lack empathy. Of course, this is one of the distinctive traits you feel of narcissists, the ability to feel and understand other people's emotions. Therefore, your narcissistic ex could be mean to you because he or she can't feel your hurt and sympathise with you. Therefore, he or she just goes about his or her life feeling unconcerned about your emotions and acting cold towards you. Above all, the reasons your narcissistic ex is mean towards you has nothing to do with you and everything to do with them. Narcissists' behaviour is always born out of their cruel and self-centered nature. Well, what do you think of this video? I hope this piece of information is helpful to you. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and experiences in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.